Well, good morning. I thought I would take just a minute today and review a verse from yesterday's sermon. So, yesterday we closed out the book of Ephesians, and I want to just take a look at one verse, verse 23 from chapter 6. And I think this verse will have some familiar vocabulary and it will give us some things to review. So, I want to just dive in really shortly here. We have Irene, tois adelphois, kai agape, meta pisteos, apa theou patros, kai Kyriou Iesu Christou. So you might have noticed a few vocabulary words there, and hopefully you have, and that's encouraging. I want to walk through this really quick and point out some things. So Irene, you might notice the ending there should clue you in that we're looking at a feminine noun. Also, it's in the nominative case, and it's singular. I'm going to change colors. It's not very bright. Feminine, nominative, singular, and that is the word for peace. Okay, you'll notice here tois adelphois, that's an article, and this is the word adelphos, or adelphos rather, which means brother. And you'll notice the ending there, that is a dative, plural, masculine. So if it were feminine, this would be sisters, but this is brothers. And oftentimes the Bible uses brothers or brethren just as a catch-all for brothers and sisters. Sometimes the way we would say mankind, and that means men and women. Kai, you might remember, is and. It's a conjunction. Agape, hopefully you know that one. That is love. So peace to the brothers and agape. The and is connecting Irene with agape. And so when they're connected like that, this shares the parsing of Irene. It's nominative, singular, and it's feminine. Meta is a preposition which means with. Pisteos, you might recognize pisteos. It is the genitive, singular, feminine, and that's an irregular form. That's not the typical form you see, but that's pistis, which means faith. Oops. Apo is another preposition which means from. Need to charge my iPad. Theou, now you'll notice that comes from theos, which means God. That omicron upsilon ending keys us in that it's a genitive, it's singular, and of course it's masculine. Patros is a genitive, singular, masculine, from pater, meaning father. And what's happening here are these two are being put in what's called apposition. And apposition just basically means equal. So God equals God and Father. They're being used almost synonymously. God and Father. And we have another kai, which means and we have Kyriou, which comes from kurios, meaning Lord. And again, that's a genitive, singular, masculine. And then we have Iesu Christou. Now that's Jesus. And Christou is Christ. And again, all three of these are in the genitive, singular, masculine. And what's going on here? These are also in apposition. So equals Lord Jesus Christ. All right. Hope that's helpful. Hope that's some helpful review and helps you think about the sermon from yesterday. Have a great week, and I'll see you Thursday.